I'm back with my final review for today, and this is obviously another one by Outre. Like I said, she is from their Perfect Hairline collection. It's one of their 13x6 frontal lace wigs, full scalp lace wig, okay, and she is called KATYA. I have her in the color Havana Brown. Now I know the majority of you guys have already seen this either on Instagram or here on YouTube. Now this has been going, and so many people love this Havana Brown color. Like this, from the moment time it came out, from the moment time it hit the website, I should say, this color sold out so fast. Like it was crazy. Everybody wanted this color. So guys, this is what the Havana Brown looks like. To me, it looks like a really dark burgundy. That's what it's giving me, really dark burgundy, okay, but it is a brown color, just so you know. I'm just saying what it looks like. But anyway, like I said, this is a 13x6 frontal hairline from the Outre Perfect Hairline collection. And honestly, apart from the Outre melted hairline, the Perfect Hairline is my second favorite collection by Outre. But I really don't like the fact that it comes with the full scalp. Like, why did Outre put a full scalp on this beautiful wig? Like, why did I have to go in and cut out all this, you know, mesh net underneath it? If you guys don't know what the full scalp is an extra piece of lace that they add to the bottom of the regular lace up top that makes it a little bit easier to blend. That's what they say, but to me it makes it a little bit harder because the full scalp actually starts about a ½ an inch past the hairline, so you can see that line. You see the line underneath once you part your hair, and it just looks a little bit different. Even if you try to add powder up top, it just, the colors look different, okay, from the front of the hairline to the back. It just looks a little bit different. It looks weird. So I think the best thing to do is cut it out. So that's what I did. I went ahead and I cut it out. But let me just say this again, be very careful if you're gonna cut the full scalp out of any wig at all. Like any wig that has a full scalp, if you're gonna cut it out, just be very careful, because you could rip the lace. You could get a lot of shedding. Now once you take that extra lace out, I did get a lot of shedding, guys. I got a lot of shedding once I pulled that out, because the way the extra piece of lace underneath, or the full scalp I should say, is attached to the lace. Like it's stitched on with like an invisible thread, not an invisible, but you know, like a really translucent thread. So once you start cutting that out, you will get some shedding. Like some of them is like actually attached to the hair itself. It might be attached to a strand, and that strand will pull out. So just be very careful. Take your time once you're doing it, so that way you don't get, you know, too much shedding and you don't have any balding. Now I wasn't very careful, and when I was cutting it out, I did get a little hole at the back, but thank God it's at the back and not at the front. So there was a little hole at the back. Hopefully it doesn't like start coming apart even more. Hopefully it's, you know, it stays that way. But yeah, just be very careful, you guys, because it could happen to anyone. You just have to take your time. But guys, like I said, this is a 13x4 frontal lace wig. It's a HD transparent lace wig. So I did go in with my lace tint spray, and I sprayed up front just so it blends in with my skin complexion, although I still went in with some powder up front, like on the parting space, just to define it a little bit more. But you know, I didn't have to, you know, but I just wanted it to show up a little bit more, so that's why I did that. But let me show you the stock card so I can get it out of my hands. Hopefully you guys can see this. This is what the stock card looks like. The Cajun Spice looks really pretty as well. I really love the colors on this. It's gorgeous. Let me see. You know, this should have came in a chocolate color. You know, they have just a chocolate color. I think this should have come in a chocolate color as well, because although they have this Havana Brown color, the chocolate was a little bit more on the, I can't say darker, because the Havana Brown is a really dark brown, so it's kind of like a lighter brown, I should say. I don't know, it just looks, I don't know, it looks a little bit more chocolatey, in a sense, like milk chocolate kinda. So I really like the chocolate, but they do have DR chocolate cream, you have creamy mocha and stuff like that. There's a lot of different colors that you can get to choose from, and of course it comes in 1, 1B and number 2, so you have your natural colors as well. But guys, this hair is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I did add heat up top just to, you know, flatten the parting space. The texture of the hair now, the texture is very soft and natural. It has a really soft and natural texture. Looking at the stock card, it looks like really full, so I thought the texture would have been more like the Nisha texture in terms of fullness, but it's not giving me that fullness. It's giving me the natural texture, but not as full, not as, you know, you don't get that volume with it. You just get like a regular, you know, straight unit. Now of course you could part it wherever you want to, left, right, or center, because this is a 13x6 frontal hairline, so you could part it wherever you want to. It comes with baby hairs, the hairlines are pre-plucked, so it's very natural. So everything with the cap construction and everything, I really like it. The 2 combs on either side of the wig up front, you get one at the back with the adjustable straps, and you also have an elastic band at the back that keeps it very comfortable. It's not an adjustable elastic band, just a regular elastic band, and the rest of the cap is a regular cap construction, okay? But I would still say it's about medium in cap size. But guys, let me know what you think about this. Like I said, I got a lot of shedding after removing the lace underneath the faux scalp, so keep in mind that you may get some shedding, well, a lot of it, once you remove that faux scalp. But apart from that, it's pretty good. I can't really say anything bad about this. I can't wait. Like, I want to style this so many different ways, but it's like, you know, take it easy. But anyway guys, let me know what you think about this. I will link it in the description box down below if it's available. I'm not too sure if it's available still, but I still would link it, so that way whenever it becomes available, you could come back to this video and just click on the link, or probably you're watching this months later, you could just click on the link in the description box. It will take you directly to this unit on the website. You can choose your color and purchase from there. But thanks again for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.